Can artificial intelligence help you earn more money? Which artificial intelligence technologies can boost your profits? Hello friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we'll be discussing a very interesting topic, earning with artificial intelligence, role of artificial intelligence in financial success. We're diving into the exciting world of earning with artificial intelligence. Let's explore how artificial intelligence can transform your financial future. Artificial intelligence in stock market trading. Trading stocks is one of the most talked about ways to make money with artificial intelligence technology. Artificial intelligence systems can sift through mounds of data in search of patterns, allowing traders to make better judgments and increase their earnings. Artificial intelligence in cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is another area where artificial intelligence is creating an impact. Given the unpredictable nature of cryptocurrency markets, traders can benefit from AI-powered tools that offer real-time analysis and predictions. This helps reduce risks and maximize benefits. Artificial intelligence in real estate investing. Artificial intelligence is being used by real estate investors to assess properties, examine market patterns, and forecast property values. Real estate projects may gain better rewards and more strategic investments can be made as a consequence. AI-powered freelancing platforms. Using platforms powered by artificial intelligence, freelancers may find the best gigs and clients, which can increase their revenue. Artificial intelligence systems may automate routine operations and provide insightful data, both of which improve the quality of work. Artificial intelligence in e-commerce. Online store owners are implementing AI-powered optimization strategies, such as dynamic pricing and personalized product recommendations, to enhance their online marketplaces. Artificial intelligence has the potential to boost earnings by increasing sales and enhancing consumer happiness. Artificial intelligence in content creation. The use of artificial intelligence is growing among content creators as a tool to assist with brainstorming, writing, and video production. By automating a lot of the repetitive work involved in making content, artificial intelligence tools free up creators to concentrate on making great content and expanding their audience. Artificial intelligence in digital marketing. By assisting marketers in reaching their ideal customers and offering comprehensive analytics on the effectiveness of their campaigns, artificial intelligence is transforming the digital marketing landscape. Higher returns on investment along with more effective marketing tactics are the consequences of this. If you enjoying this video, then kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest videos. Now let's continuing the video. Artificial intelligence in financial planning. With the use of AI-powered financial planning tools, you may receive specific recommendations and automated investment plans, allowing you to better manage your financial affairs. Make better financial decisions and get closer to your financial objectives with the help of these tools. Artificial intelligence in online tutoring. With the help of artificially intelligent platforms, online teachers can better engage with their students and enhance their teaching methods. A more efficient and successful tutoring industry is possible because to artificial intelligence's ability to analyze student performance and recommend individualized lesson plans. Artificial intelligence in affiliate marketing. By analyzing data and utilizing artificial intelligence, affiliate marketers are able to optimize their campaigns. With the use of artificial intelligence, they may increase their commissions by promoting the greatest products and utilizing the most successful marketing strategies. Artificial intelligence and investment apps. The use of artificial intelligence in investment apps is simplifying the process of purchasing stocks, bonds, and other assets. For the benefit of users in accumulating wealth, these apps offer automated portfolio management and individualized investment suggestions. Artificial intelligence in career coaching. Virtual assistants and other AI-powered career guidance services are becoming increasingly popular. Using your interests and abilities as input, artificial intelligence can recommend jobs that fit you best and help you reach your career goals. Artificial intelligence in subscription services. Creating and running subscription-based businesses is becoming easier for entrepreneurs with the help of artificial intelligence. Optimization of subscription plans for maximum income, targeted content delivery, and client retention methods can all benefit with artificial intelligence. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is establishing the way for an infinite number of new ways to make money and succeed financially. You may achieve your financial goals more efficiently with the help of AI tools, whether you're trading stocks, making content, or managing your business. Hope you liked today's video.